Today I'm going to be trying potted. It's a home pottery kit that essentially gives you everything that you need in order to make some pottery at home. Inside the box, they give you like a quick start guide. They give you paint and glazes, varnishes, the clay, and they give you this is at the bottom of the box, and it's branded, but it's a piece of cardboard, so I don't know if it's supposed to be used for something. My second camera. I'm gonna take this. Oh. Am I supposed to do that? No. Mold your clay into smooth ball. Don't forget to use some water if you need it. This feels terribly easy. This is ugly. You get out all the wrinkles. Oh, I need to pinch pot. Rotate the ball while moving your thumb to create a large hole. Yeah, I'm gonna do what I want to do with this. This is not what I should be doing. It told me to roll it into a ball, and I just flattened it into a circle. Insert your thumb into the clay ball around 3/4 of the way down. Oh, cute. Okay, I'll just add a handle to this and call it a mold. I have to make it have a flat bottom, but sturdy walls. This is bad. Oh, okay. Maybe I need to start over. Oh, this tiny baby pot. Maybe that's why they call it pinch pot, because you kind of just keep pinching it. That's what I'm doing. Maybe I should use this. Oh, I'm stupid. I know what this is for. This is for these. I'm so dumb. Whatever. This is what it's for now. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's been a few days. My clay has dried. This is what it looks like. It's not that good. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I got my little cup of water. Got my base coat here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's very pigmented white, so that's good. I'm just gonna start doing it, I guess. Oh, you can squeeze it. Okay, I'm gonna start in here in the bottom. I probably should have got the brush wet first. Oh wow, this is so bad, but you know what? It'll be okay. I can use it for something. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. This was my second attempt at the air dry clay. I did this last night. It's my cat, and I'm making it for my boyfriend's mom. The only thing is I might have made it too thin. Like, it feels like I could break it if I wanted to try. Hi, Dinky. So this is the plate that I made. It's got a little heart, another heart for the nose, and it's fairly thin, but I'm going to attempt to put a clear coat on that while this dries.
So it said that you're supposed to let it dry for 24 hours, and this plate has been, I would say, like 22 hours. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to put a clear coat on this. A base coat. I mean, not clear. It's obviously not clear. Look at it. It's white. Dude, he wants DINNER, but he can wait a little bit. Okay, this is what the cat plate looks like after its base coat. It's pretty cute. So I'm going to let this dry, and then that's pretty dry already, actually. Oh, yeah, that's pretty dry. I can probably start painting this in a second here. Cool. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to paint this white while this one dries, and then just kind of get this shit off my brush. Not me drying it off on the balcony. It's like there's white, brown, red, orange, black, yellow, blue, and green. Primary and secondary colors. They're non-toxic, quick drying, and pro quality. Almost 1 fluid ounce. I'm going to start in the bottom again. Look. This is the plate thingy so far. Like, it's okay. I mean, for the first attempt, whatever. For a second attempt, better, right? So now what I'm gonna do is just add, I think just some cherries would be cute on here, like a billion little itty bitty baby cherries. And I'm gonna use this tool that came with it, and I'm gonna use this pokey end just to do some like dots. So I'm just gonna do a dot and another dot, just like that. Can hardly see it. But this is how I'm going to do my cherries. So yeah, I'm just going to do a dot and another dot. And then later I'm going to go and just add like a little like green line connecting them. Just like that. That's perfect. So finally done painting. This was me testing out Pott'd. It's a home pottery air dry clay kit. You probably know of the competitor Sculpt. They were a bit more pricey, so I went for this cheaper one. I think they turned out pretty fun. This is my little square box thing that I was able to come up with. I just added some cherries to it. I think it's pretty cute for being made by me. I'll probably throw it in the bathroom and just put some like products in it. Maybe my little perfume samples would be cute in there. And like I said, Mona is still drying, or my cat plate, but I think it turned out pretty well. This is the figure that my boyfriend made. It's actually a photo holder. I think he explained that to you. And he painted it just like our dog, which is so cute, and I think it turned out great. But overall, this seems to be pretty good, like at-home DIY air dry clay kit. It's fun for all ages. Like, we're old and we had a great time with this. Yeah, as always, please leave a comment down below what you actually want to see a video on, because right now I'm kind of just doing whatever I feel like. Please like this video if you like this video, and subscribe.
Bye.